Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to make dill curry. So this is dill and that's what that looks like if you haven't seen it before. So this is 2 bunches I'm using here. Should be enough for about 3 people. Basically you just chop the dill into about an inch, half an inch. Just chop it up, both bunches, and then obviously I've got chopped onion here and I've got some fresh garlic there, and I'll be using the paste, the ginger paste. I've put the oil on to heat already, and then of course we just use our spices. So just use a teaspoon this time, so a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, jiru, goes in there first, and I've used about 3 tablespoons of oil, enough to coat the base of the pan, and I'm using a medium-sized saucepan. Okay, so now that's brown, just add the onion, sorry for a second, I'm just going to... So I've added my onion, and you just cook that through until the onion looks clear. And with the mustard seeds, you just wait until you hear it pop. And the oil was maybe a little bit hotter than I normally would have had when I put them in.